How to put Pinterest wallpaper on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Pinterest application on your phone. Once you're here, choose and open the photo you want to set as your wallpaper. Then, tap on the three dots as shown. Now, select Download Image from the options here. After that, go back and open the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. On this page, tap on Add New Wallpaper as shown. Then, find and go to Photos. Tap on the photo that you just downloaded from Pinterest. After the preview loads, tap on Add in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear. From the menu, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair to confirm. You have now successfully set the photo as your new wallpaper. Following these steps, you can easily put Pinterest wallpaper on an iPhone.